Dabur Vatika Select Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo is best argan oil shampoo for hair growth and hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Dabur Vatika Select Shampoo is enriched with palmetto extract, vitamin E and vitamin B5 that helps in scalp nourishment, reduces instance of hair thinning and promotes hair growth. It contains no added parabens, phthaletes and silicones. It is enriched with plant-based actives, and it helps reduce dryness and gives strength and health to tresses. It helps restore smoothness and silkiness. Dabur Vatika Select Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo is best argan oil shampoo for hair growth and hair care. Dabur Vatika Select Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo is powered with pure and natural botanicals like Moroccan Argan Oil that helps give strength and good health to your tresses. It restores smoothness, silkiness and also helps reduce hair loss and hair dryness. This pleasant-smelling shampoo is enriched with palmetto extract, vitamin E and vitamin B5 that helps in scalp nourishment, reduces instance of hair thinning and promotes hair growth. It is enriched with plant-based actives that helps to moisturize and smoothen hair. It is free from chemicals like sulfate, parabens and silicones which may harm your hair's and scalp's natural oil balance. It is also 100% vegan and gluten-free. So, now use Dabur Vatika Select range of shampoos for damage-free nourished hair. Dabur Vatika Select Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo enriched with Moroccan Argan Oil, palmetto extract, vitamin E and vitamin B5. That helps in scalp nourishment, reduces instances of hair thinning, and promotes hair growth. Shampoo with benefits of Moroccan Argan Oil helps moisturize hair and reduce dryness. Gives strength and health. Helps restore smoothness and silkiness and helps in scalp nourishment. Dabur Vatika Select Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo is powered with pure and natural botanicals like Moroccan Argan Oil that helps give strength and good health to your tresses. It restores smoothness, silkiness and also helps reduce hair loss and hair dryness. This pleasant-smelling shampoo is enriched with palmetto extract, vitamin E and vitamin B5 that helps in scalp nourishment, reduces instance of hair thinning and promotes hair growth. Dabur Vatika Select Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo is best argan oil shampoo for hair growth and hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.